let's make some onigiri. We will be making 3 different kinds, so if you want to skip ahead, the orders will be scallop, beef, and tuna. Before anything else, we need to make rice, and make sure you clean your rice so it goes from this to this. While the rice is cooking, let's prepare the meat. For the scallops, gently chop them up into smaller pieces, but make sure they're not too small. Now, place them in a bowl, and you want to add salt and black pepper, and you want to make sure you mix them up very well. And once you're done, lightly cook them on a grill only using olive oil. And after 2 minutes, you want to put them back into a new bowl, add some mayo, soy sauce, sesame oil, and lastly, sriracha. Then just give it a good mix. Now to prepare for the beef, you want very small thin sliced pieces. Then into a bowl, you want to add some soy sauce, sugar, mirin, black pepper, chopped garlic, and sesame oil. And go ahead and mix them up thoroughly. And once you're done, you could start grilling them on a pan, but this time you don't need olive oil. And after around 3 minutes, it should look something like this. And now that the beef is done, let's prepare the tuna. Empty out a can of tuna into a bowl, add some soy sauce, black pepper, and mayo. And just take your time mixing them all together thoroughly. And that's it. Now we can assemble the onigiri. You want to start by folding your seaweed into 3 equal rectangles. This will create some creases for you to cut with your knife. By now, your rice should be done. And with nothing else added, we're just gonna put it into a bowl. Once the rice is cooled enough for you to touch, roll it up into a ball and just lightly flatten it. You wanna make an indent for your meat to go into. And once you're done, you wanna put a little bit of scallop into the middle and make sure you don't overstuff your rice. Then, now you wanna close up your rice and make it back into the ball. Now take your time, you wanna make sure the ball is perfectly covered. And once you're done, you want to press your rice into a triangular shape using your fingers. And lastly, with your seaweed that you prepared, you're going to gently wrap the bottom like a blanket. And for the beef and tuna is exactly the same. Make sure you have enough space for your meat. Roll it back up, make a triangular shape, then wrap your seaweed. And there you go, 3 different kinds of onigiri.